Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we'll be learning a new and different topic, which is and like and today we'll be learning Thunkable. What is Thunkable? Thunkable is like a website where you can create games, apps. It's just like Scratch, but it has different kinds of blocks and not all of them are different, but they are like a little different. And before we get on with this video, make sure to subscribe to this channel and give this video a like, and make sure to subscribe to my main channel. I post a lot of things and gacha stuff over here, so make sure to subscribe to it. Let's get started on the video. Now, what do we have? We have a screen, and also you have to log in. You should have like an email address also to log in. So first, when you come over here, you see like this create new and all that. So from this you can create, if you click on it, you have to fill in the details like the name, if you want it public or not. So let's quickly do that. So I'm going to click on this, and then I'm going to write a name for it. I'm going to just write hello, or I'm going to write tutorial, and then you don't really have to select a category for it. Now you have to click on this create. It will wait for some time, and then it will like open a new thing, like a new link or a new page, and you have the screen. So let's learn everything right now. So here you can see these things. So here is your account which which you have signed into, and then which language you want, and then the community. If you want like go back to the community tab, then you can click on that, and then the help. If you have like any problem with it, then you can just click on this help, otherwise come to this video. And then if you want to publish it to like the app store, then you have to click on this. And also if you want to publish it, you have to pay some money, and then you can download it on iOS. The app which you make, you can download it on iOS or Android. Then you can make a copy, you can share it, and you can live test it. Now, what is live test? So live test is you can test your app to see if it's working or not. And then this is like the screen. So you can click on this plus sign to add a screen, add another screen. And now this is where all your blocks will be stored. And then here is this phone you can see. That is the phone which will be the screen of what the person is seeing when they are using this kind of app which you are making. And then also like if you click on live test or preview it, you can see it on this. You can do the things on this screen. It's like you can work. You can see the how it's happening, if there's any mistake or not. And then this is your block palette. You can see this is your block palette. It has all the blocks, and you can see there's like a lot of different kinds, like a slider switch, alert, canvas, loading icon, PDF reader, and like rows and columns, then voice, And if you go all the way to the top over here in the block palette, you can actually search like the blocks from the block palette. You can so these are actually called components. So if you want a button, then you can type a button. Otherwise, you can, if it's already on your screen, then you can drag it into this. Now, whatever you do, you have to drag the things over here or over here. So, like I have just put this button, I just took it, I just dragged it, and I put it on this mobile or phone, and it came. Now I delete one. Now, whenever you're deleting, it always asks you like a confirmation for it to be deleted, otherwise, you'll lose all your work which was done to that button or the component. Now here it shows all the details like the script area means like the sprites inputting in Scratch, just like that. This is also you can see the components inputting. Like you can change the text it's into hi. Otherwise you can change the text color, font size, background texture, height, width, anything that you want. And this advanced section is like some more like some more info that you can change, but it's like a little bit advanced, you can say. And now this is how you can rename your button. You can duplicate your button by clicking on this, and you can click on this delete for it to be deleted. Otherwise, you can click on this to delete. So now let's go to the other tab, which is the blocks. Right now we were in design. Now we are going to blocks. So blocks is like the blocks. So this is like the blocks palette. The one in the design is the components palette, and then this is the blocks palette. And this is the script area. You can click on something and drag it. And you can click on drag the thing to delete over here, and you can increase and decrease the size and all that. And you can like code for many screens. Like suppose you have another screen. So if you see like a blue line, that means that you're coding in the screen one, and if like the blue line is under screen two, then that means that you're coding in screen two. Now, if you want to delete the screen, then you can delete over here, otherwise over here. So let's delete one screen. And now let's quickly make like a project. Let me delete this button also. So you can do multiple things with like multiple simple um, projects. You can also make a game. So let's do like if you click on a button, uh, then it will go to the screen too. And then if you click on the button in screen two, you'll go in screen one. So let's add a label to just understand that this is screen one or screen two. So I'm just going to put one as screen one. I'm going to like make the size. Uh, Wait. Yes, we are back. Okay, maybe it's just some internet problem. So let's just change this, and then we'll set the color to black and the background to red. I changed the size to 50 at least. So it's like nicer and nicer to see maybe. So I'm going to make this normal and bold. And I'm going to like add a button in screen one. So you can drag this and put it over here. Now if you want, now you can see it's coming on the top. If you want it bottom, then you just drag it to, to the bottom like this. And now let's put in the details for the button. So I'm going to name this next screen, and I'm going to change the background to black, and this the text color to red, and then same thing which we are going to do in screen 2. So this will be 250, and then black, and then red, and then normal as usual, and I want it bold. Now the button, and then I want to name this to previous. Uh, I want to name this to previous screen, and I'm going to change the things. So this will be red, and this will be black. So let's quickly code for it. Now we will go to screen 1, and we'll click on the blocks section. Now when the button is clicked, so you have this button over here, you'll click on this and you'll drag this. When button 1 clicked, then what should it do? It should navigate to the screen 2. So we'll go to control, we'll drag this navigate to screen, we'll put a chart over here. You know it's like clicked like that. If you hear that click sound, and then I change this to screen 2. And then same thing we are going to do with the screen 2. So when button 2 is clicked, then it should navigate back to screen 1. Now let's preview it. So let it load the thing. Now you can see that it's happening. So we were first in screen 1, let's go to screen 2. Now we are in screen 2. Now we will go to the previous screen. So you can do this. So this is like a simple project. Now you can quickly go to this edit to go back. And now this is a simple project which we made. And we also learned about what Thunkable is. In the next video, I'll be showing you how to make a checklist app in Thunkable, which I'm going to post soon. So see you guys later. Bye.